Okay, sparkling water lovers, this one's for you. This is the SodaStream sparkling water maker. I love this thing so much. It's one thing that I won't live without anymore. I used to be the one that would go buy all the cans of sparkling water or the bottles, the glass bottles of sparkling water, but this has replaced it all. And it's so easy to use. I'm going to give you the things I love about it and the things, or one thing I don't love about it. So let me demonstrate how easy this is. They come with these bottles. So you simply put it right up in there, press it back, and press down to make as much bubbles as you want, depending on how bubbly you want it. And take it off. It's that simple. It's so delicious and refreshing. I love it so much. And I just do the plain water. They do come with flavors that you can put in here, I think like lemon lime and cola and different things like that. But I honestly have learned just to love the plain old water. It's, I always have these in the fridge, fill them up just with, your water, fill them up. There's a line right here you can't go past. And then I just keep these in the fridge so they're nice and cold and chilled when I want to use them. So that is something I love so much. So refreshing and easy to use. Let me show you the back. Super easy to change the canisters out. So all you do is pull this back thing off and then pull this up, and that releases the canister. And all you do is pull it out and you just go and exchange these. We have different grocery stores that I can take them to and just exchange them. I have two of them, so I always have a spare ready to go because I never want to be without. It just clips right back in, that easy. So I talked about a con at the beginning. The con for me is the canisters. So they can be a little bit pricey, but that's why I have two, then I can just go exchange them so it keeps the price down and not buying a brand new one every time. So I hope that helps you out, and I hope you try it out just because it is amazing and refreshing, and I've loved it since the day I got it.